Welcome to Auto Resolve. In this guide, I'll show you how to fix Valorant freezing and stuttering on any PC.
Fix 1. Restart Riot and Vanguard services. Step 1. Press Win plus R, type services. MSC, press Enter. Step 2. Restart Riot client services. Step 3. Restart VGC service. Step 4. Reopen Valorant. Fix 2. Update graphics drivers. Step 1. Open NVIDIA/AMD/Intel driver software. Step 2. Check for updates. Step 3. Install the latest driver. Step 4. Restart your PC. Fix 3. Run Valorant as administrator. Step 1. Go to Valorant install folder. Step 2. Right-click Valorant. Exe. Step 3. Click Run as administrator. Fix 4. Disable full screen optimizations. Step 1. Right-click Valorant. Exe. Step 2. Click Properties. Step 3. Open Compatibility tab. Step 4. Check Disable Full Screen Optimizations. Step 5. Click Apply. Fix 5. Lower in Game Graphics Settings. Step 1. Open Valorant Settings. Step 2. Go to Video Graphics Quality. Step 3. Set all options to low. Step 4. Turn VSync off. Fix 6. Close background apps. Step 1. Press Ctrl plus Shift plus Escape. Step 2. End apps like Chrome, Discord overlays. Step 3. Keep only Valorant running.